Tired of boring breakfasts? Let's make a vibrant, healthy, and absolutely delicious mango chia seed pudding that you can prep ahead of time. It's like a tropical vacation in a jar. First, grab about 3 cups of fresh, juicy mango cubes. Add those to your blender along with a can of creamy coconut milk. If you like it a little sweeter, now's the time to add a touch of your favorite sweetener. Honestly, the mango is often sweet enough on its own. Blend it all up until it's silky smooth. Now, pour that beautiful mango mixture into a bowl or jar and stir in about 10 tablespoons of chia seeds. Give it a really good mix to make sure there are no clumps. Cover it and pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. The chia seeds will work their magic, creating a thick pudding-like texture. Serve it with some fresh fruit or a sprinkle of coconut flakes. It's the perfect grab-and-go breakfast or healthy snack. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.